Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine and good. Dear student, now I'm going to introduce my new topic and my new lecture. So the topic of my discussion today is atom, molecule and matter. Atom, molecule and matter. Let's go and start our slides that what is an atom. Dear student, what is an atom? First of all, we define a atom and then molecule and then matter. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that has all the property of that element. Atoms are the building block of element. Atoms are made up of small particle, and atom is the smallest particle of an element that has all the property of that element, and atom are the building block of element. This is the definition of an atom. Like in this example, we show that it's like this. An atom like this is the structure of an atom, and this is electron, this is a proton, and this is a neutron. Electron is revolved around the nucleus, and proton and neutron is present in the nucleus. This is the structure of an atom. So electron have a negative charge and proton have a positive charge and neutron have no charge. It's a neutral particle. This is the definition of an atom, that atom is the smallest particle of an element. This has that has all the property of that element. And the second one is that point about atom is that atom has the building block of an elements. Now I'm going to discuss my next slide, that structure of atom. Structure, what is the structure of atom? As we have previously read that atom have three subatomic particle. One is electron, second one is proton, and third one is neutron. Electron have revolved around the nucleus. Proton and neutron has present in their nucleus. Electron have negative charge and proton have positive charge, and neutron have didn't have any charge, and it's a neutral particle. Like in this nucleus is present in atom. So the nucleus contain neutron have no charge, is already previous read about this. And proton have a positive charge, and electron have a tiny particle surrounded the nucleus a negative charge. Like this is a structure of an atom. This is an electron which revolve around the nucleus, and this is a proton and this is a neutron. This is a proton and this is a neutron. Like electron have a negative charge, proton have a positive charge, and neutron have a neutral charge, means it didn't have any charge. So this is the overall structure of an atom. Atom have three subatomic particle. I repeat again, atom have three subatomic particle, is electron, proton, and neutron. Nucleus is present in them, and nucleus have proton and neutrons present, and electron have revolved around the nucleus. Electron have negative charge and proton have positive charge, and neutron have didn't any charge. It's a neutral particle. This is overall study about the structure of an atom. Now I'm going to discuss my next slide, that what is an element. What is an element? As we have previously studied that it's a fundamental particle of an element. So now I'm going to explain some knowledge about element, that what is an element. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into any further. They are the building block of matter. Element combined to make the world around us. There are only a few elements found alone in nature, like silver and gold, that we see our naked eyes. Like it's simple substances. Element have a simple substance that cannot be broken down into any further. They have the building block of matter, and element combined to make a world around us. We see some daily everyday like example, like gold is an element that we see, or daily life example, like silver have also an element, and it's our daily life example. So this is a few example related to element, that what is in element. Now I'm going to discuss my next slide. This is the product table of the element. Like this is our element, this is our element, this is our element, this is element, this is element, this is element. There is around 118 element present in this periodic table. So these are all and chemistry, this is called a periodic table. So these all are the elements of the periodic table. Now I'm going to discuss my next slide is that what are molecules? What are molecule? Or next topic of discussion is next point of discussion, next objective of discussion is a molecule. Now we are explained that what are molecules. Molecules are the smallest particles that can be divided without chemical chain. They are made up of two or more atoms joined together, can be the same element or different element. A molecule of water is written H2O. This means that there is a two atoms of hydrogen present in them and one atoms of oxygen present in them. So molecule is also a substances. A molecule are the smallest particle that can be divided without chemical chain. They are made up of two or more atoms joined together by a chemical reaction. So element are different element. This these elements are these atom may be different or these atom and element may be the same. Like if we take an example of hydrogen, water, if we take an example of water, so it's made up of two element of hydrogen, two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. When these are chemically combined together, they form a molecule of water. And if we take an example of carbon dioxide have carbon dioxide, or if we take an example of nitrogen molecule have present two nitrogen atom in them. So when these two nitrogen atom combine together, they form a molecule of nitrogen. Hydrogen molecule can contain two hydrogen atom or two hydrogen element. When these two hydrogen atom or two hydrogen element combine together, they form a molecule of hydrogen. Or chlorine molecule, another example of chlorine molecule, it's contain two element or two atoms of chlorine atom. When these two atom of chlorine combine together, they form a chlorine molecule. Now I'm going to discuss my next topic. So the my next topic and my next objective is, this is the clear structure of hydrogen of H2O. Means that one hydrogen atom or one hydrogen element or second hydrogen element, when these are combined together with oxygen atom, so they make a water molecule. This is the water molecule and this is the clear structure of water molecule. And this is a teacher can see a clear picture about water molecules. Now I am going to discuss my next slide about that, how the atoms are made and how the elements are made and how the molecules are made or how the matter are made. So this atom have the smallest particle, like this is an atom. These atom when combined to another atom, they make a element. These small particles combined together, they make a element. First of all, we have smallest particle and divisible particle is called atoms. When atoms all are collective, they make element. When element combined together with other element, these are the element. When these element and this element when combined together, they form a molecule. Like hydrogen element combined together with oxygen element are, so they all are make a molecule of water. When these molecule of water combine together, molecule combine together, they form of matter. Dear student, this all about today's lecture. If you have any sort of question, then please put them in a comment box. Inshallah, I will give you answer in a comment album or in my next video. Stay happy, stay safe at your home. Thank you so much.